Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious drink that I have been using for my weight loss journey. I want you to show you guys, and also I want you to join me with this. I have washed this pineapple and I'm slicing them in bits because I'm going to use the blender to blend it. Now I am going to cut every bit and bites of the pineapple and the cucumber. I'm removing the back, some part of the back of the cucumber. If I see anything that I don't like, I just use my knife to remove them. So I have washed all this with baking soda. I use baking soda to wash all my fruits and veggies to remove any pesticide in it. So I am using also lemon for this. So now that I'm making sure that I remove the all the seeds. You can as well leave the seeds, but I don't like you leaving the seed because I am allergic to the seed. So the seed is a very good option as well. So I am using this fat-free Greek yogurt. I am going to pour everything inside this blender. I am going to pour everything inside and then blend. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Can you please join me here? I love you guys. Now I am going to blend everything. I'm blending them without adding water. The word liquid that I'm adding is only this yogurt. So I'm going to cover it and then blend. This will help with bloating and help your stomach flatten. Honestly, I've seen great results with this. So I'm blending them together and it's ready. See, you don't need a juicer for this because this blender is too powerful that I'm using. So I'm going to now drink it. There is no shaft in it. Everything is blended and smooth. Now I am going to store this one for tomorrow, and in case anybody in my house wants it, they can also drink. So tomorrow I'm drinking only one shot.